Add liver to the boiling water and you'll love the result. For our recipe, we will need 500 milliliters of hot water and 500 grams of liver. Let's let it cook for 10 minutes and just take it out. Now, we will also need 3 hard-boiled eggs and we will cut them finely chopped. Subscribe to the comments from where you watch us, so I can send you a special hug. Now that our liver has drained and we've cut all the eggs, let's chop that liver. Until it looks like this. Now, in a frying pan, I'm going to add a drizzle of olive oil, a chopped onion. Do you like recipes with meat? Type 1 love meat in the comments so we can know and bring you more content like this. I'll be adding it too, in the pan. A grated carrot and 50 milliliters of soy sauce. And now, just let it sauté for 5 minutes. And just book. Now, in another container, I'll be adding 3 eggs. And I'm going to be mixing it up really well. I'm going to put green smell here as well. And I'm going to mix again. I'm going to add now the chopped eggs, the liver, and mix it up again. Now, I'm going to be adding the carrot that we had sautéed and set aside. We'll also be putting half a cup of rice powder and a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of pepper, and a spoonful of paprika. And we're going to mix again until everything incorporates. Now, we're going to pour all of our mixture inside a frying pan that's already greased. And it's just spreading it out really well. Now, we leave it covered for 7 minutes. And, now that 7 minutes have passed, I'm going to add 500 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. And I covered it again, until the cheese melts all the way down. And now, folks, just serve. Our recipe is ready. I hope you enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments, giving a score from 0 to 10 for this recipe.